Jim King with King Piers back out here, day 6 in Centerview, and what we're doing here is what we want to accomplish is getting all this dirt out of here. And basically we've got a T started in here. We're open from the north to the south. Now we've got a big gap in here. I'd say in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, we will be totally done with that. We'll come in, stabilize this as we start removing the soil, keep the house, the floor, everything the same with support beams, hydraulic jacks, and steel plates. And we'll get started on the footings. 3x1 footings, 1 foot thick, high strength concrete, 2 runs of rebar, and start building that wall on top of that. So stay tuned. King Piers, Centerview. For all your foundation repair needs, I believe we are the nation's very proven best at what we do. If your walls are leaning in or if your floors are sinking, call me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.